Hello guys, welcome to Finstock. Finstock is a channel where we talk about businesses. We give you tips, insights on how to run, start and manage your business. My name is Emma and today we're going to be talking about graphic design. We are going to be talking about how to design in Canva. Canva is something that has come up and it's a software that actually many people are using to design their posters, flyers. And one thing about Canva is that it has templates that even though you're not good at graphics, it's something that you can actually use and do a very brilliant or a very good design even without having the basic knowledge on graphic design. And even if you have the basic knowledge on graphic design, Canva is something that even a professional who has knowledge in Photoshop and Illustrator can use to actually make quick posters and quick flyers, quick thumbnails. And one thing about Canva, it is very easy to use and it has an inside tutorial on how to actually edit and make designs using Canva. But today I want to introduce to anyone who doesn't know how to use Canva. Today I'm going to do an introduction or a tutorial on the basic elements or the basic procedure of using Canva and explaining step by step on some of the things you'll find in Canva and how do you actually use Canva in an easy way. I hope you will learn a thing or two. So let's dive into the lesson. So one thing about when you want to use Canva and maybe you want to use it on your laptop, it's actually for Canva, you can either download it on your phone or you can use a laptop to edit. So for us today, we're going to use the laptop. And one thing you do when you want to edit in Canva is now go to Chrome. And then it says free design tools. That is, you can design presentation, video, social media. All these it has free templates, logo maker. If you want to create top designs, Canva is the right tool for you. So what you do is you click on it. And for Canva, you need to sign up so that you can be able. So as you can see, it has a Canva free. This is a trial version. And we have the Canva Pro and the Canva for Teams. So for us, because we don't have, we want to the free one, we're going to opt for get Canva free. So it will actually ask you to sign in. And we're going to, because already you have signed into your Google account, so you're going to continue with Google. And it's in the process of signing in, so we're going to give it some few minutes. Yeah, and when you're using Canva, make sure that you really do have a stable internet connection. So we're going to use this account. So it has already logged in. It is logging into Canva. And so I'm going to take you through what the basic layout of Canva. So let us wait for it to upload, to load everything. So for this one, we're going to say maybe later. So who are you? So you can choose, I am a teacher, a student, a small business, personal, large company, non-profit. So for us, it's personal. So we're going just to choose personal. And then we're going to say, it is telling us to try Canvas Pro, but we're going to say maybe later. Anyway, so it has celebrated that we have logged in. So we have the home tab. The home tab is where now you'll find things like the recent designs you have done. It will be found in the home tab. And in the home tab, you find that we have documents, we have whiteboards, we have presentation. If you want to create presentation, if you want social media, if you want to create videos, if you want to create a website and more. You see, like, it has all these. You can, if you want to create infographic, photo collage, desktop, so you can scroll through and see all these templates that it has. Graph, book covers. So my net is taking time. Let's wait for it to load. So it has all these, and these are things you can use actually you can edit. You have photo collages. If you want to mix your photos in one area, you can actually use that. If you want your desktop wallpaper, graphs, if you want to create an infographic, if you want book covers, all these are templates that you can use. And then for projects, we have the project tab. So for projects, you can create a folder if you want to be creating a project. So you can create a folder and then name that folder on, and they will be appearing here on the folders that you will create. And then let's go back, and then we have the templates. So you see for templates, it gives you many options: Mother Day, Blue Summer, all these, thank you, flowers. So all these templates you can use. So you can use templates for business, social media, video marketing, custom print, education. And once you call up on all this, you'll find that there are many templates inside those folders. So when it comes to marketing, we have business card, flyer, logo, poster, brochures. So all these are templates that you can use. Then you have photos, and then you have icons. Photos is where you want to upload maybe a photo, and then it will give you a content. So if you follow any creator on Canva, it will be appear here on your content. If you use any brand template, as you can see, it's premium, something you pay for. And then if you want to trash everything, you can use that trash. So let's say I want, actually, you have the upper tab. This is called the design spotlight, and as you can see, it has visual document. If you want to create graphs, so if you want to create photos, it's all here in the video editor, YouTube editor. So you want if you want to print templates, all these marketing, that is where you find social media brochures. So all these are templates that you can use. And then you have business, where you want to create Canva for business. We have branded tip templates, real estate. If you want education, plans and pricing, that is when they talk about free, pro and teams. And then if you want to learn about design school, events, Canva blog, all these are here on the Learn. If you want, these are step-by-step guides on how to create unique designs. So you can actually learn how to make a poster in the Learn tab. But if you want, let's say we want to search for a template. We want a template for birthday. So we're going to come here and search birthday, and then we're going to say, you can say if it's happy birthday, birthday invitation, birthday banner, birthday calendar. So you find the templates, or if it was in one of your projects, you can click the project and it will display there. So let's say you want a happy birthday template. So it's going to filter all the birthday. So you can choose any, and then you can actually amend in. So you can choose any of these templates, and you'll use it for the birthday. Let's say I like this one. Let's use this one. So what you do is you see this one is pro. So that means you cannot be able to use this one because you need to pay for it. And but this one, actually you will note that for the ones that you will need to be paid, they have a $sign, the ones you need to pay for. But for this one, it has this star where you can put it in your favorites. That one you don't need to pay because it's a free one. You can actually be able to edit it without having problems. So let's say customize these templates. So it has loaded, and once you notice that you can be able to actually highlight these and edit them. All these things, all these templates, all these items, they have been set as different entities, and these are things you can actually edit, remove, delete, copy, duplicate if you want. So you can duplicate, you can delete, you see, more. You can align to page and all this. You can copy style. So this is how you can actually edit, and you can even animate position. You can add text, you can add elements. That is, maybe you want to add, let's skip. You can add if you want a cone, a birthday cone. So all these are here, and you can search for elements whichever the element you want. So that is how, once you have edited, let's say we want to say happy birthday Emma, we want to add the word Emma. So you can resize it so that it can fit. and you can move it. So you can learn how to edit all these and add your own elements. You can also even add another page. And once you're done with it, once you're done with your design and you're happy with the way it is, you can share. You click on the share button and then download. So you're going to say download, and you will see that it is downloading. And once it has downloaded, it will download itself as PNG. So you can say open. You can say open. And as you can see, it has already downloaded, and I have opened the template that I have designed. So that is how you actually use Canva. I will give you an in-depth tutorial on how to maybe use colors, how to add more text, how to change fonts, how to align, how to center in another video. But for today, that was it on the introduction on Canva. I hope you have learned a thing or two. If you've learned something, leave in the comment section and I'll be sure to read it out. Make sure at the end of this video you learn, make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video you can be notified. And if you're interested in learning more about graphic design and everything revolving the world of graphic, that is making posters, flyers, you can actually enroll at Finstock Evarsity College. We have online courses in basics in graphic design. We have Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, video editing, and you can learn this at a very affordable price. And you can visit our website at www.finstockevarsity.com, or you can call us at 0703-313-722, or you can send us an email at info@finstockevarsity.com. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, goodbye.
Step it up.